You can actually say, give me a script to write for this video for YouTube, and it will give you the script. If you're making YouTube videos, this new AI software is a gold mine and will change everything for everyone creating online content. You want to watch this. Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I create content that will help you grow your platform on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. So if you want videos like this, smash that subscribe button. It will also greatly help me out. So in today's video, this new AI software that I came across, man, this is actually going to change the game for anyone creating content on YouTube specifically, as well as other platforms. But if you are making videos on YouTube and you are stuck on how to find a title, how to come up with content, ideas, and also even thumbnails, you want to check this out. If you are stuck and have no idea what to create a video about, you can actually type in this software a catchy title to come up with for a YouTube video, and it will list off all of the catchy trending titles that are popular right now. It is 100% written out for you. You don't even have to think, it will give you ideas. And not just that, once you have those clickable titles, once you have those searchable titles that people are actually, plugging in on YouTube, looking for videos to watch, you can actually say, give me a script to write for this video for YouTube, and it will give you the script. And I do want to say that there are a couple of limitations for this software, or a disclaimer, as there might be some errors every now and then. It could get a couple of things wrong, and also anything that happened or occurred after 2021, it doesn't really have all the information. But this software has gathered all of the conversations, video content, chatting, going back and forth between people, online videos, and it's actually like you're talking to a real person. So you punch in the question and it populates a real answer. And from me searching, there's literally, I haven't seen an error yet, but it's basically letting you know that you could get an error. It's not the dictionary, it's not a real person, it's not Wikipedia, but it seems just like it. It's good for making YouTube videos. It's also good for choosing your thumbnail. How can I make a perfect thumbnail? And it tells you what you want to do. It tells you to use bright colors. You don't want to have too much wording in the thumbnail. This is a AI software telling you, not a video, not someone that you are talking to, but an auto-generated text. GPT stands for Generative Pre-training Transformer. It is a type of artificial intelligence algorithm that is used for generating text. So how does this help you when you have no idea what you want to make, when you don't know what your next video is going to be? If you wanted to type up something similar to a video that you've seen already and ask this software, how can I make a video just like this one? It will give you the answer. Another definition of it, it was developed by OpenAI and has been used in various natural language processing tasks, such as language translation, summarization, and conversation generation. The part of the term ChatGPT is not an acronym, but rather refers to the use of the GPT algorithm for generating text in the context of chat or conversation. So you literally get real answers, truthful answers, and you're on your way to creating content. I want you to let me know, how can you benefit from this? Are you gonna try this? It's new, it's been around for a little bit, but they've been ironing out the kinks. What do you think if you are a new YouTuber? Everybody's wondering, is YouTube still going to be something I can start as far as a channel in 2023? Yes, it is. What better time could you start a YouTube channel than now? Especially with the monetization program that is happening with YouTube Shorts. I wouldn't recommend creating all of your videos or content using this software. However, it is a good place to start. Definitely will help you come up with clickable titles, content, even thumbnails, everything you can think of. It will already gather conversations, videos that are already uploaded to YouTube, Zoom conferences, everything that has been going back and forth between people. It's all like one big brain for you to search. It's almost like searching Google, but you actually get instant feedback. You can constantly ask questions. It's not like you put in something and then you scroll to see what website you want to click on. You're getting that back and forth engagement. All right, let me know if you want me to make any other videos like this, or if you want any other examples, I can do that as well. Or what other topics would you like to see when it comes to YouTube? Maybe you're just starting a channel and you have a couple of questions, or anything also TikTok related. All right, and until next time, I will see you in the next video.